Hi, I'm just going to cover very quickly how to clean a dryer filter, also known as a lint filter. Probably you've had a filter light flashing and sometimes that makes the dryer stop, so obviously you want to fix this. The Tumble dryer's filter is almost always located just inside the dryer door. So once you've opened the door, it's really easy just to reach in with your finger and hook it into the filter and then just pull it straight up. Some people actually don't realise these come apart, so they start trying to fish all the lint out through these holes. But normally these just snap together. So you just open that up, and as long as you don't mind a little bit of dust on your fingers, you just scoop that out and put it in the bin. A lot of people call this lint, and so some people do call this the dryer lint trap rather than just the filter. And if you're trying to be really thorough with this job, sometimes you can just reach inside there and you can get some extra out. Then you just snap this back together again, pop it back in. Usually you don't have to perform a filter reset, it'll just reset automatically the next time you start the machine. But of course, if you're getting the problem of the Tumble dryer filter light keeps coming on, then you'll have tried that already. If you find you have to keep cleaning the filter and there's not normally much in it, then it could be you have another problem, which is a blocked condenser. I've done another video on that and I'll link to it at the end of this one. Hopefully now you've got a clean dryer filter and it's got your machine going. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content just like this, then please give me a subscribe and maybe I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye for now.